there, I'm Daniel, the founder of Galactic Games, and today I will show you how to package a game for Windows in Unreal Engine 5 and 4. In Unreal Engine, there are several ways how to package a game for Windows or another platform. The first way is by using a project launcher, which is not available in Unreal Engine 4, but only in Unreal Engine 5. I would recommend this way because it's simple and effective. The second way is by using SDK directly in Unreal Engine. This way is typical way of packaging games in Unreal Engine 4, but also in Unreal Engine 5. Its biggest disadvantage is that you have to reconfigure all packaging profiles again. Project Launcher allows you to create a different profiles even for each project and configure each one separately, which is very effective and clear. Before we show you the first way, we will configure the project so that it's ready for packaging. In project settings, in the selection description, we fill in optional information about our game. In the selection maps and modes, we set the default map of the game to that one we want. Other parameters we don't have to set if we don't use another classes or different default game mode. In platforms and windows, we set the game icon and optional its splashes. To create an icon, you just need an image and then convert it with some converter into a file with the icon extension. As a driver, we choose the newest one. It basically says what technology will be used for rendering the game and communication with the graphics card. And that's all. Now let's move on to the first method, the project launcher. Launch the project launcher. Here we can see which project is active, which target platform we want, and our profiles. I already have profiles set up for some of our games. Let's create a new profile and configure it. Select your project and build configuration. Each configuration is used for a different stage of development. Debug game is used for bug fixing and debugging. Development allows you enabling the console and provides logs for fixes, analytics and debugging. Shipping is used for the final release build. Enable build UAT, since we want to automate and standardize the packaging process via command line. Set cook to by the book and choose the platform you want to package the game for. If your game has localization, set good cultures. Include all the levels your game uses. This optimizes the packaging for a smaller disk size. Leave other parameters at default. Set package to package and store locally. This allows us to package the game directly to local storage. Enable include an installer for prerequisites and packaged games. This ensures the packaged game includes all the required dependencies to run properly. Set the output directory where the game will be packaged. Set deploy to do not deploy and give your profile a name. Now start the build and packaging process. Now just wait until the game is packaged. The time depends on the size of your project. The game has been successfully packaged, so let's try running it. Everything works correctly. That was the first method of packaging a game. Now let's move on to method 2, using SDK directly in Unreal Engine 5. Go to the project settings and packaging section. Here we only need to configure a few essential parameters. Supported languages if the game is localized. All levels your game uses, including build data for each level. Which we can generate using build all levels, build configuration and full rebuild to make sure everything is rebuilt from the current data. If you set it up like I did, it should work fine. Otherwise, contact Galactic Games support. Start the packaging process for Windows. Choose the output directory. The packaging will now start, and if you didn't make any mistakes and your game has no errors, everything should work. And that's it, thank you for watching the video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you all for supporting Galactic Games.